Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reprogram your window when you have a dead battery or get a jump start. So if you ran into the issue of having to get a jump start on your vehicle and the vehicle lost complete power, or you simply change the battery on your vehicle, you're going to notice that the windows are not working properly. You're going to go to hit this and the auto function doesn't work. And then also you're going to go to hit the other windows and they're not going to work at all. So I'm going to show you guys how to reprogram the windows again to get them to work properly. So the first thing you're going to need to do is turn the power on the vehicle. So you're going to go to your ignition switch. You're going to go ahead and push it 2 times if you have push button, or you're going to click it 2 times with the key to get it in the on position. Then after the vehicle is on, you're going to go ahead and go to each door. You can start with the front passenger side right here, and what you're going to do is you're simply going to go to the switch, you're going to hold it down, and when the window completely opens, continue holding it for about 3 seconds. After that, you're going to go ahead and let it go, and then you're going to put it in the up position, keep holding it, and then hold it for another 3 seconds. Then after that, you're going to go to the back door, do the same thing, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other back door. Also, if you have a sunroof, you're going to need to perform the same procedure on the sunroof by opening it and keep holding it for 3 seconds when it gets all the way open, and then do the same thing when it closes and hold it for 3 seconds. After that, everything should be programmed properly. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.